In this video, I'm going to be telling you 15 ways that you can make money as a developer. By the way, this is the part 2. In part 1, I shared 6 ways to make money as a developer. If you have not watched that video, you've already missed a lot. So please do well to go back and find the video and watch it. And then you can come back and watch this video. So let's jump right into it. In part 1, we talked about stable incomes. We also talked about active incomes. If you don't know what that is, then you've not watched the videos. Anyways, let us continue to discover other ways that you can make money as a developer. The next category I'm going to be talking about is passive and scalable income. Now, this is the end while you sleep category. If you have noticed, you see that there are a lot of developers that go on to create courses focusing on different topics in tech. Some of them might be technical courses, some of them might be not so technical courses. But then the point is, you can create a course and sell as a developer. Now, platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, and even Teachable allow you to create your course and monetize it. The beautiful thing about it is that once your course is live, you earn passively. I personally know someone who is like a developer who created a course on Udemy and he makes passive income off it. Number 8 is writing technical articles and ebooks. You can write for blogs or monetize your own personal blogs using affiliate links, ads, or sponsorships. You can also sell ebooks about coding, problem solving, and career growth. Number 9 is selling website templates, UI kits, scripts, or themes. If you are a front-end developer, a WordPress developer, a UI designer, selling themes on platforms like ThemeForest, Gumroad, or Creative Markets can generate recurring income. Also, companies love time-saving automation, whether it is a data scraper, reporting tool, or maybe a productivity bot. Businesses usually buy scripts and things like that. So if you can make those things, you can actually make them and put them up for sale. Now, there's a new category I want to introduce, which is the SaaS and open source monetization category. Under this category, we have number 10. Number 10 is building and selling SaaS products. If you can solve a common problem, why not create a software as a service, also known as SaaS products? So you see a lot of Indian hackers like literally creating those products that solve a particular problem and then they put it up for sale, or even charge like a subscriber fees for the people that will be using those platforms. So at the end of the day, you can either sell it off, it can be bought by, let's say, a bigger company, or you run a subscription. Number 11 under this category is monetizing open source projects. Now, the thing is, open source does not necessarily mean free all the time. You can actually earn a living as an open sourcer, like an open source developer. So you can actually contribute to open source and actually get paid, especially for platforms that have like bounty projects for like open source. And then you can also get GitHub sponsorship, premium features, or even enterprise support for your project. So you can either build an open source project and get support, or contribute to open source project and get paid for it. Although you have to find specific platforms that allow you to do that. The last category I'd like to talk about would be the other side hustles or alternative incomes. Just think about these as extra income streams. If you want flexibility and extra income, these are great add-ons to your main job. Number 12 under this category is bounty programs. Ethical hackers make thousands of dollars by finding bugs and security vulnerabilities on platforms like HackerOne and the rest of them. Apart from ethical hackers, there are also other bounty programs that exist in different blockchains and different products. So you can actually like find bugs and get rewarded for your work efforts and time. Number 13 is affiliate program for developer tools. So as a developer, for those tools that you enjoy using, you can actually like become an affiliate and get rewarded for people that purchase those tools and services through your affiliate links. So platforms like Vercel, DigitalOcean, JetBrains, and even educational platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and the rest of them allow you to join their affiliate programs. And if you've been able to build a solid personal brand, you can easily get people to use your affiliate link, and then you get a reward anytime anyone uses your link. Number 14 is live streaming. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn Live allow you to build an audience and get paid through sponsorships, donations, paid consultations. Now, some of those platforms actually reward you for the people that actually get to stream your live streams. So you see a lot of developers that do things like live coding and the rest of them. You can actually explore that option if it's something that you like. The last but not the least, which is number 15, is YouTube videos and growing your YouTube channel. So if you enjoy teaching, storytelling, breaking down technical concepts, tutorials, and all of those kind of things, YouTube is a fantastic way to make an extra income as a developer. While building your brand, you can also create content around coding tutorials, project walkthroughs, tech reviews, Web3 insights, and even developer career advice. Or if you're someone that is very out there, you can also do things like vlogs, get ready with me video, attend tech events with me videos, all of those kind of things. But then if you can actually build a YouTube channel and grow your audience. It's a lot of work, I have to say, but if you can do it patiently, you'll be able to get rewards for it after a while. And that is a wrap. So you now know 15 ways to make money as a developer, whether you are a beginner or an expert developer. The best part, you don't have to do just one. You can actually mix and match these different options to maximize your earning and create diverse income streams. So which one are you interested in? Or which one have you done in the past that actually worked for you? Please, I would like to know. Tell me in the comments. Do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also subscribe to my weekly newsletter where I share opportunities in Web3. And if you are looking to learn tech skills, I have a couple of links in the description box that lead you to different tech skills like tech career paths like AI, data science, software development, web development, and the rest of them. So please do well to check it all out. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point. And please, if you want or if you have ideas of the kind of videos that you want to see next, please do well to put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to make those videos. Thank you so much once again and bye!